some bad news. Our fridge is broken.
What happened?
So Mom and Dad was figuring out the problem, what's wrong with the fridge. So they keep pressing these buttons.
Yeah, because it's not working. Yeah. All the stuff here is not cold.
So we put them in the freezer in our front garage.
No, look at, excuse me. So our freezer is empty.
Oh my goodness.
See, it's not cold. It doesn't froze. So we move our meats in the, where?
In the
Freezer in the garage.
freezer in the garage.
Yeah, no, I don't know what happened.
And guys, and if you haven't checked out Mommy's video where she did the
Fridge tour.
please check out that video.
Okay. So the guy came, the service guy came, and he checked this fridge out, what will happen. But what's the problem, Daddy?
The problem is it's the compressor, he thinks. He said
The compressor?
the compressor costs about $1,500 to $2,000 to replace, and it's better off getting a new refrigerator because you get a brand new one for $3,000, $2,500 to $3,000.
See?
So that's what we're probably gonna end up doing.
Yeah. We will. So we will be looking for another fridge today because, you know, our cold stuff there is not good. It will be spoiled, right?
Yes, especially the freezer. Refrigerator, not so much.
Huh? Oh yeah, the freezer is not really is not
Freezer's
working.
not working at all. Refrigerator is working a little bit.
Yeah. So we will going to some store today and look for what we're gonna look for.
Refrigerator.
Hopefully it's not that expensive. Okay. Okay, see you in the store, guys.
A few moments later.
We're here at Best Buy to get our new fridge. And the guy just came over.
I got it, I think. Here. See, there's a lot of fridge all the way to different kind. Whirlpool. Oh, so many fridge here, friend. Which one you like? Here. No, it's over there. See, there's more here. So many. I don't like black. Oh, there's cheaper, honey. Oh, Whirlpool is cheaper.
Yeah, I don't have ice there.
That's fine.
I want to do ice. How are we gonna make ice?
You just.
What are we gonna do with that? How are we gonna get ice?
Mommy.
Uh-huh.
And there's no freezer.
Yep, here too. Oh, there's here. Oh.
Mom, she doesn't
This
have-
is Samsung. Oh, that's a big space. We don't need a lot of big space. We just need a fridge.
Let's put in our fridge.
Yeah. Oh, there's a washing machine there too.
Let's put in
Ay.
our fridge. Our new fridge.
Yeah.
This is the fridge.
Yeah, this is the one. See? See, there's so many here.
Oh my goodness.
See? It's yeah.
The next day.
Our fridge is finally delivered here.
Oh. Oh yeah, they're here.
And guys, look what I have.
He's coming too. Check Daddy.
Put the small away.
Ayan, nandito na ang dalawang delivery guy. Ayan, ipapalabas nila yung old fridge, tapos dadalhin nila yung bago. Ayan, yun, ganito yung ano nila. Lalagyan nila ng belt sa ilalim, papalabas at ihihila pataas para hindi mag-scratch yung floor. Ayan, see, madali lang. Parang gaan-gaan lang nila, no? Parang gaan lang nila mag-ano. Pang dalawang tao lang yan. Ayan. So, ayan. Ano lang, nilagay nila sa leeg. Para ano. Ayan, see? Para hindi ba ano, birahin. Tapos, ayan. Labas na siya. At ipapasok yung bago naman. Yan. See, parang gaan-gaan lang. So, ito yung bago. Ayan, nilalabas nila sa box. At hihilahin nila pa ano yan. Bitbitin nila yan pa balik dito sa loob. Yung bago, yung bago. Ayan, ganito sila dito.
Okay. Sudah ka. Aneh. Apa? Okay. Out. There you go.
It is.
There it is. It's better to wait for a little bit so it warm up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Like, easy. Otherwise, it's gonna keep breaking.
Yeah. All right.
¿Cuál? Sí, sí. ¿Esta es tú?
No, para contar acá, desde la caja de la agua.
¿Y qué ya la tenías? Esto. Esta no es eso.
There's so many compartments.
More than the other?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So finally, our fridge is already delivered. We have a new fridge. What's in here?
It's baker, I think.
And it will not be open?
No. That's what it is. It's made, I think.
No, you have to put you have to put this one.
What's that?
The shelves.
Oh,
The compartments.
there's shells in there.
No, here.
I don't know.
You're welcome.
Wait a-
Yeah. Okay, take that out.
Mom, you're welcome.
Yeah. Thank you, Fran. How you take this out? See, we have a new fridge finally. Then our fridge outside na ibali na nako na dire later. So daghanan akong limpyuhon. You will be inside. Okay? See you later, alligator. So this is our new fridge. I already transferred sa yung mga coco, yung mga water. Ayan, may yung Red Horse ko. Ayan, dami siyang compartments. Guys, kumpara sa old one. Yan, yung egg ko. Ayan. Yung milk. Ayan. Hindi pa ako hindi pa ako nakapag-grocery. Ayan. Ito na yung mga frozen stuff. Ayan. Dami-dami. Yan, for daddy's yan. For daddy's diet food.
Yeah.
Ayan, that's all for. And pwede na kaming maglagay ng magnet. See? Yan. Ito yung sa Kennedy Space, sa Las Vegas,
If you
Branson.
haven't checked our Kennedy Space Center thing,
No, we never been to Kennedy yet. The only daddy when he's young. Then we went to
we went there
Cedar
before, remember?
St. Louis. This one is Virginia.
That's when Daddy was
This
on
one.
a roller coaster.
Biltmore.
And look beside it.
This was in North Carolina.
And that's when Daddy was on
And
a
yeah,
roller coaster.
St. Louis. Ayan. See, this is Daddy when he's young. That's Daddy. See, that's Daddy when he's young. So, that's it for our fridge. New fridge.
Hey guys, and look up there.
Yeah,
Daddy's
that's
roller
Daddy's
coaster.
roller coaster.
And
So,
then
Fran.
Whatever. Bye. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Guys,
like, and
and
share our
share.
channel.
And guys, we're
See you
gonna-
next video.
we're-
Bye-bye.